if you don't have the eye to look for a code, it's kind of tough. But all right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Tiago here. So how do I sell catalytic converter for top dollars? Well, I'm a buyer. I buy cars all the time, and I can't specify the amount of money that I'm getting for a catalytic converter. But if you are selling your catalytic converter and you're wondering how you can sell it top dollars, well, I removed it, and after I removed it, I grabbed a wheel, which is like a wheel that has like a plastic. You can get these like at Harbor Freight, and you look for a code. Well, if you don't have the eye to look for a code, it's kind of tough. But this one right here, there's the code over there for it, and you can send this code to your buyer, so you can get top dollars for it. All right, don't go steal catalytic converter. This is just a tip for you to sell if you have any, to sell on top dollars. All right, guys, have a good one. See ya.